Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and SpringBoot. In the previous video, we have added a query method for displaying a list of books based on the category ID. And we also discussed that Spring Data REST automatically exposes a REST endpoint for the query methods. And in this video, we're going to override the REST endpoint name with a different name. So let's go to the Spring Data REST, and if you scroll down, you can read this line. To change the segment of the URL under which this query method is exposed, you can use @REST resource annotation. So the @REST resource annotation will help us to change the REST endpoint name for the query methods. So let's take a copy of this. And go to the book repository, and just above the method, add the @REST resource annotation. And change the path to anything which you want to add. Okay, in this case, I'll change it to category ID. So let's import the @REST resource annotation. So now the URL would be /search/category ID. Earlier it was /search/find by category ID. Now we have changed it to our own REST endpoint name. So let's go to the main class and restart the application. Alright, the application is started. Let's jump into the browser. And let's modify the URL /search/category ID * the parameter, which is ID, is equal to, let's specify 3 and hit enter. You can see still the application works, and you can see the list of books based on the category ID, which is the category ID 3. So the category ID 3 belongs to the databases. So now we have completed the first step, which is modifying the SpringBoot backend application. And in the next video, we will jump into the Visual Studio Code and we will start modifying the Angular application. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.